Right, so today we're going to be removing the FJ Cruiser factory corner lights. I'm going to show you how to be able to do it. If you want to change them out for different ones, now is the time basically with this video. I'm going to change them out for some LED ones, so that's why I'm deciding to make this video. Alright, we're going to do it step by step and go from there. Alright, first thing you're going to want to do is remove this plastic clip. You can carefully undo it with the Phillips without pressing. If you press, you'll never get it out basically. You can also use a clip tool and lift it and then pull it out. The other thing you're going to want to do is remove the grill out of the way. So you're going to have these in the middle, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, and then there's a clip right here on both sides, and there's another one down there as well on the bottom by the headlight. Then you can pull your grill off or use a clip tool to pry it. Then you can move it out of the way, and then from there you're going to remove your headlight bolts. One up here, and I believe there's another one on the bottom, if I remember correctly. And yep, and then you'll be able to take off the corner lights because they're screwed on from behind. Alright, so I want to use a clip tool by the headlights, the corner lights right there on both sides. Get them out. So I'm just going to do a quick on this video to just kind of show you. We're going to do these as well, the 10 millimeter ones. Alright, so that's the headlight one. Obviously I'm going to lose it. Well, actually we'll do that one afterwards. I'm going to do the grill first. One. Two. Alright, I'm going to take the grill off now. I'm going to pause the video and then continue and show you guys. Alright guys, so we got the bottom ones. As I mentioned, 10 millimeter underneath the headlights and on top. Let's see. So we got one there. Don't worry, I got that. And then the stop one. And then that should loosen up the headlight. But I believe there's one more down here, which I'm going to take off this cover. You may want to use a clip tool. Here, let's try this, see if it works. If not, let's use a different one. Let's see. Kind of tricky to get to, but just with the clip tool, carefully. Don't pry too hard, you don't want to break it. And then there's another clip underneath. Alright, so underneath we got that clip there. I was able to reach with the clip tool and pry it out carefully. That's your cap. Alright, and then you're going to be able to get to that 10 mil I was talking about underneath, which is the third one, holding the headlight assembly and the corner light assembly in there. Okay, so we got those out. The bottom one too, and then the top one. In order to get this out, you're gonna have to again use your clip tool. Just kind of lift, bring it back a bit, and you should be able to get the whole assembly out. See? So that's what you're gonna do. If you want to change your corner lights, all you do is unbolt these three nuts and you should be able to take it out. So that's how you do it. Alright, so I checked and this is an 8. So for those of you wondering what size these are, definitely 8 millimeter. At least that's what I see that fits. So you take those 3 and then you should be able to take the corner lights out. Alright, so the whole reason why I took off my old corner lights was because I want to do the LEDs. So, the little ones. Yeah. Check them out. Alright, so same way back. You got your 3 studs there. Just make sure they're snug if they're, you know. And then you're gonna put it back the same way it was basically. So that's what we're gonna do. And then just tighten it from the back. And that's it. As far as the plug goes, for these lights, they're gonna go back on the plug. You take the bulb out. And then for the other LED, it's just power and ground, which is right here. That's it. And then you end up putting it back. We'll show you the next one after it's back on. And there you go. That's how you put it back on. Well, I put it back on, you know, just the reverse way basically. Well, that's it. And then we're gonna put the grill back afterwards. But yep, looks pretty nice. So for the reversal process, again, there's clips behind here, behind on the grill. 10mm bolts. For the headlights, I just put them back again. You got your bolts. One there, one underneath here, and one right there. As for the little pieces, they go right there. All they have is one clip and then it catches on the edge right there. So you just pop it back in. Opposite side, but yeah. So just make sure that little clip lines up. Make sure these guys line up over here too as well. And then there you got it. That's it. It's back on. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll turn it on. I'll show you what it looks like in a bit. All right, so this is what they look like installed. I'll turn them on in a second for you. All right. So these are my lights. That's what they look like. Pretty dope. Yeah. So there you go, another video. I'm gonna keep making videos. I'm gonna keep changing things. That's my plan. Why not? I'm having fun with it. So, all right, if you like it, then share it.